Lightsabers are super cool, especially this one. But I decided this was not good enough for me. The only thing cooler than a bright, reactive lightsaber is one that I build myself. Welcome to my show, where I've become Francesco. This model type is called a Neopixel lightsaber. It is even brighter than the high quality models that you can get from Disney. Here's a quick side-by-side comparison of the Neopixel lightsaber versus the high quality sabers you can buy at Disney. I knew I needed to start with a microcontroller. So after borrowing my dad's, I started learning about different types of LEDs I could use for this project. Normal LEDs can only turn on and off, the whole strip, all at once. If I want to make it look like it's a lightsaber, I need them to turn on gradually, a gradient, from the bottom towards the hilt, all the way to the tip. WS2812B pixel strips are sent positive, negative, and unlike normal LEDs, they also get a signal wire. Each pixel contains a tiny microchip that sorts out the information and sends the instructions to the next pixel after each is done reading it. Now, I can control individually the brightness, color, and timing of all the pixels. I started using a smaller processor that would fit inside the hilt. It's called an RP2040 or a baby raspberry. I should have used an ESP32, but you live and you learn. A key aspect is smooth swing, where a motion detector inside the lightsaber plays a sound effect depending on the direction and speed of the saber, like this. This is an MPU 6050. Using this chip, I can program the saber to make noise whenever it turns one direction and then play another noise whenever it switches back. I don't have a lot of videos depicting the development of smooth swing algorithm. I will say though, I am very grateful for my friend Anthony. Not only did he provide me help with this project, but he made it a fun experience coding that I won't forget. During this time, I don't think I could have coded this without his help. Anthony, you will always be my favorite stinky caustic name. Here's a quick 20-second montage of how I went from this board all the way up to a self-contained lightsaber. So, update on the project. Got it hooked up to here. And then, he calls it Gecko Maria. And we push it. Larson? All self-contained. Alright, Parkson, I figured it out. It works consistently, and it's all running off the battery. It's all running off the battery. None of it's connected to my computer. It's not running at all. You can see, cannot find device. It's not there, and it's running. Oh. Okay. First test of the computer. This all accumulated to the final test. Does the lightsaber turn on? Does smooth swing work? Will it burst into flames? Worked. The lightsaber turned on. The smooth swing worked properly. It was bright. It was vibrant. Unfortunately, I don't have any other videos of the lightsaber working because the second time I tried to use it, it caught on fire. Stay tuned for the next video where I use a smaller board, better programming language for the project, and it is double the brightness and double the battery life.
Battery in the right direction. That is very important. And we also make sure that the board is plugged in. Now, it's on green. Now, the next one in this sequence is red, so when I hold it down 1, 2. Boom. And then I click it once, change next. Look at the color wheel. Uh oh. It couldn't handle that many inputs.